Have you ever tried to download Good Lock only to find out it's blocked in your country or it's not available for your device? Even if your Samsung device has the newest update One UI 8.5, Samsung still locks the best customization behind flagship phones or specific regions like Korea and US. No worries. Today, I'm going to show you several ways you can download and install Good Lock on any Samsung device, whether Samsung wants it or not. Most of the times, your device is actually capable of running some of these features without a problem. So there's actually not a good reason to not be available for your device. But for some reason, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you the official ways to install Good Lock on your device, and then I'm going to show you the pro workaround for those who are truly blocked based on country and device model. So without further ado, let's dive into it. On your phone, find Google Play Store. In my case, Google Play Store is inside this folder. Google Play Store is here. Tap there to open it. Inside Google Play Store, tap here on this search tab and then tap again to bring the search field. Right here inside the search field, type Good Lock. Then tap enter or the search button to look for the Good Lock app. In this case, for this device, Good Lock is not available. If you don't find Good Lock here, like in my case, it means it's not available for your phone or it's not available in your country through the Google Play Store. But don't worry, let's go to the option 2. Let's tap here to minimize everything. On your phone, find Galaxy Store app and open it. In my case, I'll go to the app drawer, and inside this folder called Samsung, I have Galaxy Store, which is this one here. I'm going to tap on it to open it. Inside the app, tap on this search icon to bring the search field, which is right here at the bottom. Then tap here inside the search field and type Good Lock. Then tap the enter button or the search button on your keyboard to search for the Good Lock on the Samsung store. In this case, through the Galaxy Store, I have the Good Lock available for this device. To download it, you just tap on this icon and it will download it. Or you can tap here to have access to more information about Good Lock, and you'll find right here at the bottom the install button, so you can tap it to download it and install the app. To do that, just tap on it and it will download and install the app. Depending on your internet, this process can be really fast. Now that you have downloaded and installed the app, you can tap on it to open the Good Lock app. If you still don't find Good Lock here inside Galaxy Store for your device, let's move to the last option. This option is for those with country and device restriction. Let's go to the Google Play Store and download an app called Find Lock. Since Good Lock is officially restricted, Find Lock acts as a launcher that lets you open different Samsung modules. Now let's go to the Google Play Store and download Find Lock. Tap here on the search tab and then tap again to bring the search field. Then type Find Lock. Then tap on search to search for Find Lock inside the Google Play Store. And right here at the top, you can see that Find Lock is available for this device. Tap on it. This is the app that we are looking for. Tap on here to download it and install. This process can take a few minutes. Now the app has been downloaded and installed. Tap on Open to open the app. And right here inside Find Lock, let's look for Good Lock. You just have to scroll down. And right here at the bottom, we have Good Lock. Tap on it. You'll get this pop-up notification right here at the bottom saying that Good Lock is not installed, and to install, we have to visit FindLog website. So tap on here. It will open the FindLog website in the browser. And inside here, just scroll down. Let's look for Good Lock. Good Lock is right here. Tap there. And it will take to the website where we can download the Good Lock app. This is the website. Now let's scroll down here so we can find the link to download, which is right here. To download the APK file, just tap on it and it will download the file. You'll get this notification asking where you want to save the file that you want to download. In this case, it's fine for me. It will be saved inside the download folder. So I'm going to tap here on download to download the file. You'll get a different notification now asking if you really want to download this file. Because this is what I want to do, I'm going to tap here on download anyway. So the file is being downloaded. I'm going to tap here on open. Because this is an installation file, I'm going to tap here to open with package installer. You'll get this notification asking if you really want to install this file. Yes, I want. I'm going to tap here on install and it will install Good Lock. This might take a few seconds. And done. Good Lock app is installed. Tap here to open Good Lock. As you can see, now I have Good Lock installed on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Well everyone, these are some of the main ways you have to download and install Good Lock on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you have any comments or questions, leave that in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.